Hi guys, I'm back with the Galaxy Note 10, this time with screen protectors from 3 different brands and styles. I've also got a camera lens protector too that I'll show off at the end of this video, so let's get this party started. Let's start off with this glass screen protector from ESR. The package comes with 2 cleaning kits, some installation guides, and 2 screen protectors. First off, you're going to need to give this baby a cleaning to get rid of any dust and grease on the screen. Once the screen is clean, very carefully pull off the protective film from the screen protector and align the edges to make sure the fit is just right. There isn't a cutout of the camera, so that's one less thing to worry about aligning. The adhesives are only along the edges, so make sure you press down there. You can kind of see the fingerprint where I pressed down on the center of the screen, but it's a very slim piece of glass and doesn't add much weight. It's not a bad screen protector, but here's the catch. As one would expect of glass screen protector, the in-display fingerprint reader doesn't work. This is a screen protector for people who want the tempered glass protection at the cost of the fingerprint reader. You can try to reset the fingerprint sensor, but it still won't work. To be honest, I can't get rid of the comfort of just getting my phone open with just a touch. So I'm not going to go with this one. Different strokes for different folks. Continuing on, I got Speakin's new Flex screen protector. You get an installation package and 2 screen protector films with the box. I have applied Speakin's new Flex screen protector before, so I'm kind of familiar with how to do this, but it's never a bad idea to read the instructions because this screen protector is very unique. Alright, let's get to it then. First, wipe down the phone screen. We'll then stick it on the case to make sure we get the alignment right. I'm using Wrinkey Fusion X case here. Speakin includes this solution that's vital to installation process. After making sure it works, we'll prep the screen protector by making sure the adhesive size is fully saturated and put it onto the screen. There is a camera cutout with this one, so you want to be careful of it. You can realign the screen protector as many times as you need, but you just want to make sure it's wet. While the screen is still wet, you want to use this included squeegee to push out any bubbles and excess solution. Holding onto the screen protector from one side will help with this. I've been working at this for a few minutes, but it still has a lot of bubbles. Apparently, they should disappear once the screen protector has completely dried off, so we'll have to wait for that. I also messed up the alignment of this camera hole, as you can see here. So we gave it 3 minutes and it's mostly dry, so let's try it in display fingerprint scanner. First, we'll update the settings on our fingerprint to match the screen protector. Because this is a film type, it should work without any issues. Last but not least, we have the Wrinkey Dual Easy Film. This is also a film type screen and comes with 2 screen protectors, so let's go ahead and clean up our screen. The Dual Easy Film is also very unique. You use this first layer to align the screen protector and pick up any leftover dust. The second layer is split into 2 parts, so we'll install the top part first, and we'll do the same with the bottom. And then we'll remove the topmost layer next, then push down the sides to go over the curved edges of the film. There are still a few bubbles left, but apparently this will disappear within 24 to 48 hours. The screen protector itself feels really nice, and it honestly looks like the phone doesn't have a screen protector at all. This is also case compatible, although I can see that the edges of the film does touch the sides of the case. It's a very close fit. Finally, make sure to reset your fingerprint to use in-display fingerprint scanner. This is true for any screen protector you get. The screen feels smooth and there aren't any issues with touchscreen recognition as far as I can see, so thank you Rinky for super clean and easy installation. Lastly, we have camera lens protector film as a little extra treat. Currently, this one is from Rinky. They sent me a sample of camera lens protector, so I'm just gonna remove this quickly. So like the screen, we'll give this lens quick cleaning for a perfect installation. Carefully remove the protector from the holding film and just stick on it. The way that installed by itself is super satisfying. It's not too different from protector that was already on the phone, but if you need to replace that, I just want to let you know that there are other options available out there. So here is my video introducing some different style of screen protectors, so you know what's best for your Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I'm personally gonna roll with Rinky Dual Easy because this one is my favorite. Thanks for watching, bye bye!